How to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your task manager and then go ahead and try and type in Valorant. And if nothing comes up, then try and type in Riot Client and anything like that. And if you locate any of them and even Vanguard, then what you want to do is go ahead and just go ahead and right click it. And then you want to press End Task on whichever one you find. Now what I want to go ahead and do is press Windows key and R and then type in services.msc, press enter, scroll down all the way towards the bottom until you find VGC. Mine's right here. Right click it and then I want to click properties, and from the startup type switch it from manual and then to automatic. And then all I want to do is click start over here, click apply and then click OK. Now what I can also go ahead and do once you do that is go ahead and press Windows key and R. Sorry, I pressed the wrong thing. Press Windows key and R and then type in percentage local app data. So once you go ahead and type that in, press enter and then open up your Valorant folder. So that's obviously going to be under V. Go ahead and find it. And then once you go ahead and go ahead and delete the saved folder. And then what you want to do is after you delete that one, return to this folder. And then what you want to do is find Riot Games. So go ahead and find the Riot Games folder and delete the Riot Client folder within that, and then you'll be good to go.